dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Welcome back, guys, to this channel. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. The appeal court judge slumps passed away during promotion to Supreme Court. Next after this, we have the Chief of Staff, Femi Gbajabiamila, reportedly get 10 billion to renovate residence, 10.1 billion for computer software. But before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. The news: the federal appellate judge has kicked the bucket as a process for his elevation to the Supreme Court commenced, and the People Gazette were all recording. The People Gazette told the judiciary source that Joseph Shagbo has passed on Wednesday evening in his hometown of Makurdi, and he was 65. He was the president of the Port Harcourt division until he suddenly slumped before his family members and was reportedly pronounced dead. His demise came weeks after political opposition in Ogun accused him of taking cash bribe to uphold the controversial re-election of Governor Dapo Abiodun. Mr. Joseph led a panel that upheld a lower tribunal decision, which was hinged largely on the technical claim that the opposition People Democratic Party (PDP) described as purported. The initial certification of Mr. Abiodun by Electoral Office (Inec), he was joined by another judge on the three-member panel. The last judge, Jane Essien Inyang, dissented in the matter, saying that there was no jurisdiction for upholding Mr. Abiodun as governor. The matter was purportedly appealed to the Supreme Court by Ladi Adebotu, Mr. Abiodun's main challenger in the March 18 governorship poll. Judiciary watchdog said that the ruling was among the most controversial of election petition verdicts so far this season. Mr. Abiodun denied all allegations of judiciary interference, and families and friends described Mr. Joseph as a thorough bribe jurist who lived his life delivering justice to the Nigerian people. An NCGN official confirmed an outstanding petition but declined further comments on the matter. He was born in 1958, and he was on the list of judges due for elevation as Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. And the exercise kicked off days ago, and it was expected to be completed before December 31st, 2023. And look at what happened. He passed on to face the Supreme Court judgment. May he so rest in peace. I know some persons have been saying about that after all the manipulation and lies just to get promotion. I know that this country, the government don't really make so many Nigerians people no get sympathy again. Be it judge or politician, it's sure for me say nobody go like sympathize with them. People mind don't strong because of what they have been doing to the people. Only if they knew they won't live forever, they would have at least left good legacy. That way, outlive them. May you so continue to rest in peace. Moving on to the next one. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's Chief of Staff, Femi Gbajabiamila, is expected to get a total allocation of 21 billion in next year's budget estimated presented to the National Assembly by the President last month. A breakdown of proposed figure, however, shows that Mr. Gbajabiamila proposed 104 million for the purchase of computers and printers for local travel and transport for international training. The Chief of Staff Office plans to spend 579 million, while miscellaneous is expected to gov 103 million. A further breakdown of the proposed budgetary allocation shows that the reconstruction and repair of the Chief of Staff official residence is to get 10 billion. Computer software purchase is expected to go for about 10.1 billion, and 290 million is the allocation for purchase of vehicles. Last week, it was reported that Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu presented a budget of 27.50 trillion for 2024 to both chambers of the National Assembly. The budget had been approved by both the Senate and the House of Representatives, with minor change to some sectorial allocations. The budget presented made in a live section of the House of Chamber requested budgetary approval of a total spending plan that included 1.78 million barrels per day of crude oil, a borrowing plan of 7.8 trillion and an exchange rate of 700 to the US dollar. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government came to steal, kill and to destroy. What's wrong with us in this country? Where is the EFCC chairman that said 7 out of 10 students are into fraud? Is this not fraud and madness? My question is, when there is nothing to steal again from this country, what would they do? All these supporters that have suddenly gone mute, make una come defend una president, because we don't know what is really happening. But what do you expect from America's most wanted criminals in government? This is the most organized criminal in government, honestly, in the history of this country. What is really happening? If you evade tax now, they will come and hold you, but they will be spending taxpayers' money on unnecessary things. They have turned this country to private sector. They say that they can't afford to pay for subsidy, but they keep borrowing money and doing rubbish, satisfying themselves, putting Nigeria in abject poverty. Before President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go compensate all these election ringers finish, hey, Nigeria treasury go don't finish. This is the same person they said he doesn't need the Nigerian money. But what is happening now? And so many persons are so proud to say that these men are their leaders. I think those that supported this man on seats should hide their face in shame, because what is really happening now? Until when you people will know that this country is hijacked and caged, is when you will know the mess our children are into. These are the same men telling other people to come to Nigeria and invest, and they have the money to invest, but no, they decided to waste it. No sensible person or government will see how Nigeria has been wasting their money and decided to come to Nigeria and invest. No way. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.